Okay, we got a 2017 Toyota Yaris. We're gonna replace the remote battery in it. I'm gonna flip it over. There's a sliding button right here that we're gonna slide to the left and hold it with our thumb. And you can remove the emergency key. Then we're gonna turn the remote like this. We're gonna use a small flathead screwdriver. And you can see the seam that we have right here. We're gonna put the screwdriver in the corner of the seam, just like this. We're gonna give it a twist. Okay, and that's going to crack it open. Do it on the other side too. Just give it a twist. Then we'll go around, just gently lift and separate the cover. Okay, like that. Then we're going to remove this cover right here. Let's go through the side right here. Just pry it up. And here's our battery right here. And we'll just come right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR 2025 battery. When we get our new one, we're going to put it in, just drop it in like that, get our cover, and just place it back on here, push it down. All right, if you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have the right size for you and a link that takes you to Amazon down in the description. You just get the two covers. You put the top half in first and work your way down until it clicks, and then your emergency key should go in and lock in, and you should be all done. Well, if this video was quick and straightforward, I'd appreciate if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Hope to see you again in another video.